Hi, my name is Ruslan Palm. I'm an artist and sculptor. I make Pokemon toys from polymer clay, fur and wire. Each toy has its own soul and character. Now I'm starting my new big project, PokéPuzzlePalm. I'm making all Pokemon from the first generation, 151, not as figures, but as real puzzle pieces from clay. I already made the first 4: Pikachu, Squirtle, Bulbasaur and Charmander. From them I will grow this project, step by step, piece by piece. On this channel I show the full process, from drawing to sculpting, painting and puzzle assembly. You can watch how each Pokemon comes to life and vote which one I make next. I'm starting this marathon. Let's see how it all ends. Let's go!